Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we'll be solving another very interesting question from system of equations. Here is a radical system that looks very difficult at first glance. Most students get stuck because of square roots. But if we square the equations, the problem suddenly becomes much easier. Now I want you to pause the video right now and try this question by your own first. Let's solve this question step by step. I will be squaring our first equation. So I will write here square root x plus square root y whole square equal to 10 square. Now we are going to use a plus b whole square formula here. We will get root x square is x, square root y whole square is y, plus 2 times square root x times square root y. We'll write square root xy. RHS will be 100. We are looking for real solutions, so we can write here x, y must be greater than or equal to 0. Now we'll be squaring our second equation, square root x plus 11 plus square root y plus 11 whole square equal to 12 square. Again we'll use a plus b whole square formula in LHS. We will get x plus 11 plus y plus 11 plus 2 times square root of x plus 11 times y plus 11 equal to 12 square is 144. Now we will simplify LHS. We can write 11 plus 11, 22. Then we have x plus y. Then we'll write plus 2 times square root of x plus 11 times y plus 11 equal to 144. Now let us say this is our first equation, and here we will consider equation number 2. Now we have x plus y in equation 1 and x plus y is there in equation 2. So we will subtract first equation from second equation. X plus y will be cancelled out. We will get 22. So I will write here equation 2 minus equation 1. 22 plus 2 times square root x plus 11 times y plus 11 minus 2 times square root xy. 144 minus 100 will be equal to 44. Now we will subtract 22 from both the sides. So plus and minus 22 will get over. We will write 2 times square root of x plus 11 times y plus 11 minus 2 times square root of xy equal to 44 minus 22 is 20. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So after dividing by 2 both sides, we are going to get square root of x plus 11 times y plus 11 minus square root of xy equal to 11. Now we are going to take this negative square root xy to the RHS. So we will write square root x plus 11 times y plus 11 equal to square root xy plus 11. Again we have a square root on both the sides. So we are going to consider squaring. Again, we will write here power 2 in LHS and RHS. Now from left hand side, we can cancel a square root and a square. So we will get x plus 11 times y plus 11 equal to xy plus 22 square root xy plus 121 by using a plus b whole square formula. Now we are going to expand our left hand side. So we will write our equation once. Let's simplify LHS. We will write x times y xy, 11 times 11 121 plus x times 11 11x, 11 times y 11y. So we will write 11 times x plus y, and in RHS we have xy plus 121 plus 22 times the square root of xy. Now we will subtract xy plus 121 from both the sides. So we are going to write here 11 times x plus y will be equal to 22 times the square root xy. Now we will divide both sides by 11. 11 over 11 will be 1. 22 over 11 will be 2. So we will get our third equation, x plus y equal to 2 times the square root of xy. Equation number 3. Now we will rewrite our first equation. Equation 1 is x plus y plus 2 times the square root of xy equal to 10 square is 100. Now using third equation we can write here 2 times the square root of xy. So LHS will become 4 square root xy and right hand side is 100. Now we will divide both sides by 4. We will get 25 in the right hand side. So we can write a square root xy equal to 25. After squaring both sides, we will be getting xy 25 square. So I will write here xy will be equal to 25 square, which will be equal to 625. Now we will consider our equation 1, x plus y, or we can use equation 3 also, x plus y equal to 2 times the square root of xy. This is our third equation. Now we are going to plug in xy value, which is 625. We will get x plus y equal to 2 times the square root of 625, which is 2 times 25. Value will be equal to 50. So we have one very interesting system of equations, x plus y equal to 50 and xy equal to 625. So from our first equation, we can write here y will be equal to 50 minus x, which we are going to apply here. So we will get x times 50 minus x equal to 625, or we'll write 50x minus x square equal to 625. By writing all the terms to RHS, we will get one quadratic equation, x square minus 50x plus 625 equal to 0. Now LHS is perfect square of x minus 25. RHS is 0. So from here we can write x minus 25 equal to 0 So x will be equal to 25. X is 25. We can put the value of x over here. We'll get y. So I will write here x equal to 25. Our equation is x plus y equal to 50. Now we will plug in the value of x here. So 25 plus y will be equal to 50. We will get our y value 50 minus 25, which is 25. So we have x equal to 25. We have y equal to 25. So we can write our answer x comma y 25 comma 25. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.